Hey guys, it's great that you guys are living on below 1 pound a day for the next 5 days. I know how difficult it is because I've gone on the fast for 3 days, no food, no drink, nothing. So you guys are going for 5 days. Wish you the best, and it's all for a good cause and for our country programs, including South Africa.
Hey, that's Christina, the legend. Here's our KK. KK!
Before you go ahead, I need to see that video.
Oh, we're still going. KK.
Okay, hi everyone. I just want to say good luck. I've never tried this before, but I'm crossing fingers for everyone, so yay!
Yay! That's KK! And as we know, it's intern audit time, so we've got Maxwell from Zim. Here's Maxwell, and this is what he's saying to us.
Kudos guys. I think it's a great idea that everyone is sacrificing to ensure that the communities around the globe are assisted by our efforts, where you guys are living below 1 pound a day for the next 5 days. Come on guys, we are in together, we support you. We hope you are going to rise and reach the target you've set for yourself. Thank you guys.
That's so awesome. Thanks so much, Maxwell and the team. So, yep, we're just saying from behalf of the whole of South Africa, thank you so much for what you're doing. I can't, like Christina, I cannot imagine, I can't live without my aero and my chocolate and my fruit and everything all day. So we're absolutely proud of you all. And the programmes team are busy doing all their things in the field. That's what it's all about as well, helping the young people in our marginalised communities in South Africa. So that's what it's all about. The suffering that you're going through now will help all of those guys. Thank you so much, good luck, and we hope to see you soon. Bye.
Okay, how do I stop? No.